How to rebook flight in Cebu Pacific. Well, first you need to head over to cebupacificair.com and then you need to log into your account. After you log in, open Manage Booking. Go to the Manage Booking on the Cebu Pacific website. You'll need your booking reference and last name or email associated with the booking. Step 3. Find your booking. After accessing the booking, you'll need your reservation under My Bookings. If you booked while logged out, Cebu Pacific allows you to add or link the booking to your My Cebu Pacific account. Step 4. Click Rebook Flight. Cebu Pacific's current interface has Rebook Flight under Modify Flight. Step 5. Select the flight you want to change. You'll get a screen showing your departure and return flights. Select the flights you want to change and continue. Then step 6. Choose your new flight. Choose the new date and time and available flight. According to Cebu Pacific's current rules, voluntary rebooking can be made up to 2 hours before scheduled departure, and the new flight must be available at the same or higher fare. Fare differences and change fees may apply. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.